Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here at the end of the video. And also make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, kind of boring, really, but that trading is boring when you're doing it right because the trend is definitely still down. I've been saying for like 2 weeks now to do nothing but look for sorts in a downtrend. And if you've been following along, you've probably been doing pretty good. So, what am I going to say in today's video? Unless we get an engulfing move to the upside or a break of structure to the upside, I'm still doing absolutely nothing but looking for sorts on sort of time frames. There's no reason to think that this may not just keep on going down, especially if this really is the end of a pullback back here. So definitely looking for sorts of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement. We're looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks. We're looking for Fibonacci bounces. We're looking for golfing moves to the downside for potentially the continuation of the downtrend. Until the daily time frame tells us otherwise, I believe we should be doing nothing but looking for three-way pullbacks to go short. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.